Hello, this is Green from Smonet Y Smart Lock tech support. Now let me show you how to input new passcode on the keypad without Wi-Fi and app. First, you need to check your admin passcode on TT Lock. I will send you a detailed picture about how to check your admin passcode. And after that, you need to enter *85 # admin passcode # new password # on the keypad. For example, let me show you.
Please input administrator's passcode.
Okay, your admin passcode. This is mine.
Please input fingerprint or passcode.
Or passcode, and you enter your new passcode, please.
Please input again.
Again.
Input successful.
Okay, input
Please
successful.
input fingerprint or passcode.
If you want to input your fingerprint without Wi-Fi or app, like
Please press again.
4 times.
Please press again. Please press again. Input successful.
Okay, now you
Please input fingerprint or passcode.
and now you lock the door once, and you try to use the new passcode you set just now, like unlock successfully. Yeah, and you hold the lock.
Locked.
And you use your fingerprint set just now.
Unlocked.
Yeah, unlock like this. Hope this video could help you fix your issue.